Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the CoinTales game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now, once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and then type in and search for CoinTales. Now, from the search results, once you find the CoinTales application, go ahead and tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the CoinTales application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done and you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the CoinTales app. And once you open it up, you can proceed with playing your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the CoinTales game on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.